What is Fast Track Cash? Fast Track Cash was launched by Elijha. It is a course and a guide to walk you through the online marketing world and the money-making opportunities that it provides. The entire training course consists of 18 videos along with 98 pages of guidelines for you to go through. Thankfully, the entire course is easy to understand and does not really show any complexity. The best part about Fast Track Cash is that you don't need any technical experience or anything of that sort to keep going. You just need to make your purchase and go through the course material. That will ready you to establish yourself well online and make money quickly. You're probably thinking, why isn't it free? 3 reasons: 1. It keeps the freebie seekers out that don't take action. 2. It keeps our coaching protected from the outside world. 3. It keeps the content quality extremely high and ad-free. It also shows you where you have to send your visitors to ensure that you can maximize your online profits. What can you expect to learn from 1K a day Fast Track? This is an email marketing-based online business that shows members how to start building a profitable email business fast. This training program reveals to members exactly how to earn big money from high compensation items, by emotionally requiring individuals to acquire. It exposes the super secrets that the highest earning online marketing experts are making $1,000 plus per day constantly after following this program constantly every day for 30 days directly. Take action. You're on this webpage for a reason. Perhaps you're battling for money,